Hello viewers, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today in this video, I am going to teach you to sign up to your TikTok account with Google. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi and you have installed TikTok app in your device. This process is going to be similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get started. Open your TikTok app. Now tap on login or sign up on that red icon. Here TikTok will give you different options. You have to choose continue with Google. Tap on that. Now tap on continue. Here you can see different email IDs. Now you have to choose one of them. Also you can use another account, but I will be choosing my own Gmail account. Now I have to choose my date of birth. After you are done, tap on next on that red icon. Now you have to choose username for your TikTok account. After you are done, tap on sign up on that red icon. Now tap on bottom right corner on that profile. You can see that you have finally created new TikTok account with Google. In this way, you can create new TikTok account with Google. I hope this video helped you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.